What's up, people? If you're a developer and you're struggling on how to create a portfolio, here's a quick beginner guide on how you can create a good looking, okay looking portfolio on card.co. The link is also in my video description. So if you like on the page, like if you like on this section, you can click on new site. You go to portfolio, and then you have some already created things. So, which is looking good. To make a quick video, I'm gonna show you this. So of course you can it's not, yeah, it's not necessary, but you can write vertex portfolio, for example, and then you can write vertex past work or something like that. So vertex past work, then you can write in here, hello, in this portfolio I am showing my best work programming or UI design, or if you like animating, modeling or building, whatever. Just write something in here. Of course, you can also use the markdown formats like bold, italic, subscript, and many other things. Of course, you can you have buttons. Call the button show my work or show work. It's easier to understand. Then you can use an icon. It's just the text label. Then you can use an icon and the URL, which redirect you to the works tab. Of course, you have color, and you have an hover. Hover means the color is like that. If you go there, it's gonna change the color. Really beautiful, right? Of course, you have label color, icon color, and the border color. I just can show you. Don't make it that ugly as I'm doing that. That's just a quick expectation on how you can do that. Of course, if you want to have code, if you click the button, what should happen, then you need a Pro Plus subscription, but it's not necessary. As you can see, looks really scammy, but you know what it do. Then, if you click on that, if it's published, then it scrolls automatically down. So, important, this is the scroll point named work. It's really important that you name this exactly as you name it in the URL. Okay? You can also make a YouTube video, but then it directs you to a YouTube video and not to this section here. Okay? So just call it oopsie. So just call it work, and then it should would be completely functional. So here you can call this past work, or you can call it portfolio, or whatever, and then you can make pictures. I have nothing right now. That's because I'm using that. This is one of my clients on my agency. Yes. To be honest, I have an agency you can join if you're if you're a developer and you're struggling with commissions. You don't know who you can trust. You don't know which studio or businessman is trustworthy. My agency makes completely background checks. You can be a whitelisted client on our server, and we're gonna manage you. We're gonna look for your commissions. We're gonna look if this commission is good. We're gonna manage you. We're gonna make you sure that you're gonna get paid. Okay? If you don't know what a developer agency is, actually we are just your agents, okay? We manage everything that you just need to focus on your talent, on your creativity. and not about, is he gonna pay me? Isn't he gonna pay me? Okay, we handle the rest and you're gonna make the creativity or like your commissions. If you're like interested to join the new agency we created, link is in my video description. But that's enough yapping, back to the video. So, we created the portfolio and now we need to make a few pictures. You can like, as you can see, that's the first picture. That's the next picture. You click, of course, on done, and then you click on the next picture, and you click on the next picture, and you can click on the next picture, and guess what? You can click on the last one. Of course, you can like add more. You can also, is it like a default box or is it like a light box? Then it like it's light a bit, like the gradients. Of course, the color scheme is like auto, light, or dark. I'm gonna say dark looks better. Then the options: allow navigation, let users navigate between lightbox images using controls, cursor, keys, or swiping. Allow on mobile, extend lightbox behavior to mobile screens, show controls on mobile, provide lightbox controls on mobile screens. Disabling this option will still allow swiping. Show captions, display captions beneath each lightbox image. That's a pro. Default loading, improve load time by deafening or lazy loading when necessary. Recommend. If it's like recommended, you can do it, but you don't need to do it. Depends on if it looks for you, like if it looks good for you, or it doesn't. Maybe it doesn't look good, or maybe it looks good. You need to test this. And protect also in premium. We don't like want that right now. So then you can like, I think if you have like showed your portfolio, how you can hire me, or like an FAQ or something like that. And of course, because I advertised my developer agency, I'm gonna write, you can hire me at Apex Commissions Agency. Link is below. Link is in my video description. So then we have like a button. Discord. Do I find it quick? Discord. There's no button for Discord. Then I'm just using this GitHub link. Of course, if you wanna, like, I don't know, if you have like any invite link or stuff like that, maybe example for Discord, then you can like do that. Oopsie. Discord. Click on the domain, like the URL, paste it in, and you click. You can also make like color. I'm doing that quick. As I said before, label, icon, border is like coloring the whole box. So, done. You see, like this beautiful little hover animation with the sliding of the color. Really cool. Of course, you like icons. If you have like TikTok, an email, Insta, or X, you can also make them. But you need to be sure that you need to have an URL linked to that. Because if you're not, then nothing will happen if you click the button. Yeah. So, this is like a really beautiful portfolio, but I think you have more creativity than me and you can create a much better one. If you wanna publish that one, click on the save button, title, vertex, description, portfolio. I'll just call this vertex text. So, then you click on publish. Then it's going to publish. And oopsie. And we can like go to my sites. Like that. And we can see how it looks like. Wow, vertex past work, show work, and as I said, you can scroll up, but you can also click on that and it scrolls automatically. Portfolio. Then you can like here make images of your work or like link like a thumbnail of your YouTube video, make an URL, and will like if you click that redirect you to the actual video. If not, it kind of shows the whole picture if you like had a picture. Yeah. If you like scroll down, how you can hire me, you can hire me at the Apex Commissions Agency, link below. And if you click the button, you're gonna redirect to the Apex Commission Agency Discord server. What I recommend you also join our Discord server if you're like a developer who, struggle with the things I said before. And now I'm going to watch you out for the next video. See ya.